Hi, in this video, let me demonstrate how to set up Wi-Fi Direct on your Canon imageCLASS MF275dw. So first of all, we need to go in this menu, press the home button so we all start on the same page, and you're going to press this arrow a few times until you get to this page, 4 out of 5. Tap on Mobile Portal and click Start. This is how they call Wi-Fi Direct. Don't ask me why. Canon choose to call it this way. At this point, you're going to press on Display SSID Network Key. And these informations are very important. Let me show you how to connect a smartphone to the Wi-Fi of this printer. But you can use a Mac, PC, iPhone, iPad, okay, it doesn't matter. It all works the same. So you're gonna go on in the Wi-Fi settings of the device you want to connect. The Wi-Fi settings, one of the options should be, okay, your printer. And as you see, the name here is Direct C7 Canon 10. You're gonna find it here. Tap on it. And the password is exactly the one that you see under network key. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1. You will have a different password than mine. I'll show you in just a few minutes how you can change your network password so it's easier to type or to inform other people. So at this point, I'll simply type the password to connect. And now I am connected to my printer Wi-Fi. Perfect. If you have an Android phone, at this point, open any document, any picture you wish to print. Let's say I want to print this one. You're going to press the 3 dots. If you have an iPhone, you're going to press a square with an arrow that is usually located on the bottom of your picture or document. And here I'll press print. I'll tap on the top, and this is the same if you have an iPhone. We need to change this printer. This is not the right printer. By tapping on it, you'll be able to select your MF270 series. Now, there are two. Which one should you pick? Well, pick the one that doesn't have the Canon logo. So this one. You have a few different settings you can change and then press the print button. Now let me show you how to modify the Wi-Fi password. So tap on menu, tap on preference, network, right here, network, direct connection settings, access point mode settings, use custom network key. It's turned on, and now you can type a new password, okay, that is easier to remember. Thanks for watching. Leave a like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you in the next video.